Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you all are doing well, and also happy new month guys. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be transforming my short beautiful hair to a big amazing afro. So, and also I'm going to be showing you guys my detangling process. I detangle my hair session by session, and that tends to take a lot of time. Alright guys, so with all that said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So right here I have a freshly washed hair, and you can see there's still water there. I didn't dry it. I just wash it, get out of the shower, and because I'm going to be adding products and all that, show you guys step by step to this video. So yeah, it's still wet, which is good because while I'm working with the back section, the front section will still be wet by the time I get to the front section. Otherwise, I'm gonna spray a little bit of water to it. So first thing I'm going to be doing is taking the Katsu Shea Butter Styling Cream, which this is the coconut coily cream. So I'm gonna open it. Take a generous amount. There is no little amount of product when it comes to my natural hair. I like to be generous, so I'm gonna take a generous amount of this cream. Okay, I know, crazy, like that. This is nothing, trust me, this is nothing. My hair eats a lot of products. So I'm just gonna rub it on my palm. Okay, just like that. That's a lot of products, I know guys. The main reason why I bought the product is to use it, so I don't want to be selfish with it. So yeah, anyways, yeah, just like that. And I'm gonna go into my hair and just walk it in. Make sure the back is wet coated. Just take a minute to walk the products into the hair. Turn around so that way you guys can see the back. Just walk it in. Okay, turning back around. Alright, so next I'm gonna go ahead with the hair treatment, the serum. And again, not being selfish, going in with a generous amount. Okay, alright, and I'm gonna apply this as well. This kind of gives my hair a smooth touch. Like, it feels so soft and smooth right now. So the back is not yet coated with the hair treatment, so I'm gonna go back in with more. Just like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't want to drip it all over it, so like that. And I'm gonna go into the back. Smells good. Okay. So before doing any other thing, I'm gonna use my fingers to lift the hair and kind of lightly detangle the hair. So just go in like that, just a soft grip, not a tight one, just a soft grip, and just go ahead and lift it. So that helps to kind of separate the coils on the top. So you kind of finger detangling. So it's a long process, but trust me, it's worth it. So I'm just going in like this, finger detangling the hair before going in with a brush or comb, so like that. So that kind of separates the coils without combing it. Just like that. You can see they're there. As soon as you let go, they kind of coils back up. So you see that? You see the definition right there? So in order to get what I am going for, I'm gonna go in with a comb Okay, so to start, I'm gonna start from the back. So I'm gonna make a section at the back using my fingers to separate it. Make a section like that. Okay, and just separate it. I want to be careful because some of the hair are still coily. Okay, just like that. Okay, so next I'm gonna take a hair clip and clip the rest of the hair out of the way. Section. And the line doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be neat. We're just trying to detangle the hair, so there's no need to make a perfect line. So yeah. Oops, lost it. Ow, that's cold. Okay, take that and clip the rest out of the way. So before going in with the third product right here, I'm gonna go ahead and finger detangle this section. Also doing the same thing, just smoothing it out. Just pull and just softly run your hands through it or your fingers through it. See, sometimes it kind of gets stuck, so that's why you have to just smooth it out a little bit before going in with your fingernails or your fingers to just separate it. Okay, I think that is good enough. Hold on. So next, to seal, gosh, got it. Okay, so to see the ends of the hair and the roots, I'm gonna take a little bit of this cream. Any of your favorite products would do. So this is what I'm using today. Just take that and just rub it in between my fingers, just like that. So next, I'm gonna go in and running through the section. Also gonna apply that on the tip of the hair. I'm gonna take this comb and comb the tip of the hair. Okay, comb the tip. And also go into the roots. So to make sure it's properly combed, I'm gonna go in with this detangling brush and just brush it through. This is, if you just go through like that, then you know you've done a great job of detangling the hair. If it gets stuck, so just take that and I just brush it through just like that, and goes through really easily because the hard job has already been done. So just like that, like that. You see that? Easy, right? So now that that is done, the next step now is that I'm gonna take this and twist it, do a loose twist. Okay, just twist it all the way down to the tip of the hair, and also brush it and twist. And roll the tip just like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the next session. This is the last one. I've already detangled the rest and put them into a loose twist. So next, right now, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the last one, doing the same thing. Ignore the noise, someone is doing renovation upstairs. So right here, see, okay, so this part right here feels a bit dry on the top of the hair, so I'm gonna take the water and just spray a little bit, just a little bit. We don't want it to be too wet, so just spray a little bit of water on the body. Okay, so next I'm going ahead to finger detangle this session. Doing the same thing, I'm just grabbing the hair and softly stretching it out like that. so that kind of separate the coils. Yeah, like that, just like that. Okay. So next, to seal the hair and the tip of the hair, I'm gonna go in with this DIY hair cream I made. I'm just gonna take a generous amount, as always. Taking a generous amount, I'm gonna apply this. The same thing, gonna rub it in between my fingers. Okay, just like that. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply it on the hair, on the body of the hair. And again, I'm gonna take the water bottle and spray a little bit, just one pump. Okay, the body and one on the tip, just like that. And now I'm gonna walk it in and walk the product into the roots, the scalp, massage it down, massage, massage, massage. Okay, that's good enough. So also doing the same thing, I'm going to start with a little comb, the medium size comb, and next I'm gonna start from the tip. Oh boy, doesn't go down further, but I'm gonna start from the tip of the hair, okay, and walk my way down, making sure that the tip of the hair is fully detangled. I want to make sure this comb can go through the hair freely, so just gently walk the bottom one towards the top. Okay, all done. So next I'm gonna go in with a detangling brush and comb the hair. Also doing the same thing, I'm gonna start from the tip of the hair, like that, making sure it's fully detangled before working my way down. Just slowly and gently work my way down to the roots of the hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a loose twist. Separate it into two. Okay. And now I'm just doing a loose twist. Taking the tangling brush, brush through the tip of the hair. And continue. Just twist it. Okay, this is the last one. So I'm gonna give this last twist 5 minutes before I unravel the rest of the twist, and that will be on the next clip. Okay. All right. Alright guys, now it's time to unravel the twist. So I'm gonna start from the back section and work my way towards the front. So this is the first one. You can see it's a little bit stretched already. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and separate the twist. Look at that, guys. So now is the time to use the wide tooth comb. So doing the same thing, I'm gonna start from the tip of the twist of the hair and work my way down. So soft. So now I'm gonna shape the hair just shape it to my liking. So for the front, I'm putting in the comb and pulling it towards the front, so that will create the shape I want. Just lift it and pull it towards the side you want, towards the direction on how you want your afro to look. So the side, push it towards the side, the front, push it towards the front, just like that. So for the top, I'm just gonna pick and lift it. Lift, 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 lift. Okay? And I'm gonna do the same thing to the back. First, I want to make sure it's like perfectly round. I'll go ahead and use this mirror. So now I'm just gonna go in and gently pat it down. I'm not pressing down, just a little bit, just to shape it the right way. Just push all the flyaways back inside. It's easy. And you have your perfect fro, perfect afro. Okay. There you go. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. This is the final result. So this is how I detangle my hair, how I get my perfect afro. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thanks. And I will see you guys in my next video. In my next video.